Hello beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you have never been here before, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shadia Amiri and I'm a life transformation coach who has managed to transform my own life from lower than rock bottom to my ultimate dream life in less than a year. And I have been manifesting everything I ever want in my life ever since I learned how to do it. And my YouTube channel is all about teaching you how to manifest your dream life in less than a year, fast and easy while you're having fun. In this video, I'm going to talk about a secret code that you could write and manifest all your dreams quick and easy. Yes, this might sound like a crazy woo-woo magic to you, but it is not. It is a simple law. It is a scientific proven law that every human can use. And in fact, every human is using in their lives. And most of the people don't know they're using it, and they're using it in the wrong way. Before I start revealing the code to you, which is super magical, I'm going to give you a fact. A secret fact, something that most people don't know about. There are two different powers in this world, law of attraction and manifestation. They are two different things. People believe they're the same, but they're not the same. Law of attraction is attracting who you want to be, whereas manifestation is attracting who you are. See, there is a difference between the two, and the only way you could achieve your dream life is when you balance and align your manifestation power to the law of attraction power. That's the only way you could achieve your dream life. Other than that, no matter how many practices you do, no matter how much you know about manifestation, it will not work for you. Law of attraction, as we mentioned, is the power of the universe that can help you achieve who you want to be. It is a super powerful law of the universe. It is there for every human being. Manifestation is who you are. So these two, they work like a mirror. Who you are will be attracted to your life. The universe does not know the difference between who you want to be and who you are. The universe will look at who you are and it will give more of it to you. It's going to manifest who you are for you more and more. So think of the days when you wake up with low mood, the days that you're hopeless, you don't know what to do next, you keep overthinking the past and worrying about the future. If you pay attention, these days will only get worse as the hours go by. You keep attracting more negative things, you hear more negative news, everything becomes negative for you because the mirror of the universe is looking at who you are. You woke up the way that you are, and the mirror is giving you more of it. So now today, I'm going to show you a trick that's going to help you. You're going to write down a universal code that is super powerful and is going to help you transform who you are into who you want to be easier so that you could send the right message to the universe for you to manifest your dream life. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a trick to talk to the universe, to communicate with the universe. So this video is going to help you a lot if you're into manifestation. Now let's talk about the code. This code is super powerful. It only works when you write it down. So do not try to say it in your mind. Do not try to type it in your computer on your phone. It is only powerful when you write it down using a pencil. Do not even use a pen when you're writing down. Write it on a paper which comes from nature. Paper is made out of nature. Pencil is also made out of nature. Use pencil on paper. Do not use pen on paper. This is very important. So right now, I'm going to share with you a code, a universal code that's going to create the magic for you along with something else that you write with the code on the paper. If you already know me, you would know that numbers and shapes played a big role in my manifestation journey, and every single day I still use shapes and numbers and super powerful manifestation methods. If you want to learn all my secrets for manifestation, you could go ahead and check out my online course in the description below this video. Check it out. You're going to learn for yourself. There are 15 modules with videos and worksheets and all the secrets that I have in my life, which has helped me create my dream life in less than a year. But let's get to the number code that we're using today. Take your journal or the paper that you're writing and use this method for at least 40 days. Do not go less than 40 days, but you could go past 40 days. You could use it every single day of your life for the rest of your life, but at least 40 days of your life, you're going to write this code on a paper following the sentence, which I'm going to tell you. If you watched my previous video, I talked about a super powerful mantra, which is I am. This is a super powerful mantra. It seems simple, but it is not simple. It could create magical changes in your life. Now, the code that we use beside I am is going to help you create super powerful miracles in your life. Try it for 40 days and let me know what miracles you see in your life. This is to transform who you are, right? So you're going to imagine who you want to be, and you're still not. So you want to be wealthy, but you only have $4 in your checking account. You want to find your true love and you don't have anyone in your life right now. You have to start feeling wealthy. You have to start feeling worthy and start feeling as if you already have your true love in your life. You have to feel the joy within you. And I'm not saying you have to start spending money like a wealthy person. No. You just have to start feeling wealthy. You have to walk into the coffee shop, walk into your work. You have to wake up in the morning as if you're already wealthy and you are in the place that you want to be. It is hard to feel that way while you're not living it yet. So this code is going to help you do it for yourself. On the piece of paper, you're going to start writing, I am 111% wealthy. I am 111% in love and loved by the best partner in the world. And then you're going to describe the characters of the partner you want to have in your life. For example, I am 100% worthy and in love and loved by a man who truly loves me for who I am, accepts me for who I am, who is kind, loving, and whatever characteristics you want to have in your partner. You're going to come up with a list of the person you want to be. I am 111% healthy. Every cell of my body is healthy. I am 111% happy. You're going to use the power of I am mantra besides the power of the universal code 111%. I know you might be telling me, Shadi, there is no such a thing as 111%. There is when it comes to manifestation and universal code. This is a symbol of your mindset, your unconscious belief mind about yourself and who you are. You're telling yourself that I am 111%, which is more than 100%, sure that I am who I want to be. And 111 is a universal code. So this is going to help you create the magic in your life. Believe me, as I mentioned in my previous video, people are looking for complicated methods so that they could manifest their dream life. Whereas the easiest methods in the world are the most super powerful manifestation methods in the world. This might sound easy to you. Every single day, I'm just going to write down, I am 111% wealthy. How does that help me? After 40 days, you're going to see how it's going to help you. You're going to transform who you are. You're going to transform your unconscious mind into the person that you want to be. So you're going to start feeling as if you already are the person you want to be. And the mirror of the universe is going to give you that person, because now you're manifesting the person that you want to be. And the mirror in front of you is reflecting on your manifestation. That is the only way you could manifest your dream life. And that is the way that I am manifesting every single dream that I have in my life. Now, as I promised, I'm going to tell you a secret about connecting to the universe and getting surprises from the universe. I'm going to give you a secret that's going to help you connect to the universe and communicate with the universe and ask the universe to surprise you. At the end of the page, every single day when you're writing, just write down, "Dear universe, please surprise me with a good news today," and just start paying attention to the good news you receive from the universe. It could be a $50 bill you find from the pocket of one of your jeans, old jeans, or it could be a phone call that gives you good news about something. It could be something unexpected and nice that happens in your life. So ask the universe to give you surprises every single day for the next 40 days at the end of your list of 111%. So you take a list of 111% I am list, and at the end, you're gonna write down, "Dear universe, please surprise me with a super magical good news, and please show me your presence in my life." And you're going to see the magic happen in your life. Believe me, trust me, as soon as you do it, you're gonna see the magic. There is no doubt. Again, if you want to learn more of my manifestation secrets, which 100% works, I have no doubt that they work, and that's the reason I dedicated 2 years of my life creating an online course, because I know it's going to help hundreds of people achieve their dream lives. I have dedicated my time to create this online course, and it is powerful. Everyone who has ever tried it loves it. So if you want to see my secrets that has changed my life in less than a year, as well as many other people's lives in less than a year, just go ahead in the description, check out for DIY Your Happy Life online workshop, and just see it for yourself. See what's there. And if you want to know more about the DIY Your Happy Life online workshop, and if you want to learn one more method to create a happy mood for yourself every single day, watch my free webinar. It's free. The link is in the description. It is free. It's a webinar. It's going to tell you more about the online course that I created, and it's going to show you a powerful, super powerful method that's going to help you recreate your mood from low to high every single day. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, because it's going to create a good karma for you if you share what you like with your friends. And not only this video, anything you like, try to share it with your loved ones. So if you do like the video, go ahead and share it with your loved ones. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that. Like the video if you liked it. And press that bell button, because you're going to get notified every time I post a new video, which is every single week, teaching you about powerful manifestation methods that I do in my own life. I love you, I'm rooting for you, and thank you for watching my video. Have an amazing day filled with love, joy, happiness, and positivity. Goodbye.